Hello everyone, I am Neeraj Deshmukh. Today I am going to present Activity 4 of Material Science mini project. My mini project topic is Dark Sensing Circuit. This activity is done under the guidance of Dr. Mrs. Mangal Then ma'am. So what is a dark sensing circuit? It is a circuit that detects darkness or absence of light. The light source connected to the circuit will automatically turn on when surrounding light falls below a certain limit. These are the list of components that we require. One LM35 IC, one 10 kilo ohm resistor, one variable resistor pot of 20 kilo ohm, one light dependent resistor that is LDR, one 9-volt battery and its connector, one breadboard and some connecting wires. I didn't have connecting wires, so I used bare aluminum conductors. This is the circuit diagram for dark sensing circuit. Now we will see the connections and its working. So this is our dark sensing circuit. We will trace out the connections. So the red wire is positive and the black wire is negative. These lines are horizontally shorted. So we have connected one terminal, that is negative terminal of LED, to negative terminal of battery, and other end of LED is connected to the first terminal of IC. One terminal of LDR is connected to negative terminal of battery and other is connected to third terminal of IC. One terminal of 10k ohm resistor is connected to positive of battery and the other is connected to third terminal of IC. The middle terminal of pot is connected to the second terminal of the IC. First terminal of pot is connected to positive of the battery and the third terminal is connected to negative of the battery. Finally, the eighth terminal of IC is connected to positive end of battery. Now we will connect battery to the circuit. The LED glows because there isn't much light around. So I will use mobile flash to demonstrate the working. So as you can see, when the flash turns on, the light on the circuit turns off. These are some advantages of this circuit. First, a really low cost circuit. Second, if used in a correct way, it can save energy. Third, it is compact circuit so it can be installed anywhere. These are some disadvantages of this circuit. First, LDR is inaccurate with high response time. Second, this high response time makes it unsuitable for applications where light signal varies rapidly. So these are some applications for this circuit. It can be used for street lights to save power and to turn them automatically on at night. It can also be used in garden and lights outside our home. With some modifications like replacing LDR with lux meter, it can also be used in car and bikes to turn on and off their dipper, also known as low beam. The low beam will only turn on if the car approaching from the front has it on and will turn off when the other car turns it off. Thank you ma'am for giving me this opportunity and thank you everyone for your attention.